How to add Hotjar in website. Hotjar is a tool that tracks and analyzes how users behave on a website, showing things like clicks, scrolls, and user feedback. Today I'm going to show you how to add Hotjar in WordPress website as example. At first you have to log into your website to the dashboard and go all down to plugins. Then click on Add New. Here you have to search Hotjar. Then you have to hit on Install Now and then Activate. Then you have to go down to Setting and click Hotjar. Then the ID Hotjar gives you as you going through the steps and adding your website that ID you have to add here. Then you have to click on Save Changes. After that you have to click on here to verify you're installing in your email. That's how you can add Hotjar in website. Thank you for watching.